Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, hey hi. If you're watching me, thank you so much. It means the world to me and please keep supporting. And guys, today's video I'm going to be showing the beginner's makeup kit that you can invest in. I do have the full makeup with me which are under 1000. So I do have a lot of products, so without further ado, let's get started. But before that, please do subscribe and also don't forget to click on the bell button so that you get notified every single time I post a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, first thing first, for prepping the skin, we need a good moisturizer. It can be your favorite moisturizer. Always make sure to use a moisturizer before using even a primer, because that will give a beautiful canvas to make your base, your foundation, concealers, stay for a long time, and it will slide beautifully on your skin. So make sure you apply a lot of moisturizer before applying the primer, and also make sure you also apply sunscreen before that. And if you are doing the makeup in the morning, and also guys, even if you are oily skin beauties, please make sure that you apply moisturizer, because that's very important. Hydration is the key here. So first thing first, I'm going to be showing you the primer. The primer that I have for you guys is the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. So this is how it looks, guys. This primer, I'm not kidding you, it's such a beautiful primer. This has a nice silicone consistency, and it also has a nice peach color to it, peach tint to it. So when you apply, it gives a nice peach color which beautifully camouflages the darkness that you have. For someone with light to medium skin tone, this beautifully acts as a color corrector as well, since this has a peach color to it. So, and it also fill in the pores that you have, guys. So I highly recommend this product. And now for moving to foundation, I have this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, none other than the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, guys. So I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So there's a bottle and there's a package, there's a tube like this as well. So this retails for, guys, I think it's $2.99, which is absolutely cheap. So this is how it looks. This is such a beautiful cult favorite foundation, guys. It gives a nice medium coverage. It doesn't give any flashback. It gives a nice soft matte finish. Beautiful. It is buildable as well. It doesn't make your base look cakey. Absolutely gorgeous, and it's very friendly on the pocket as well. So I highly recommend that. And for concealer, I'm going to suggest you the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. So this is how it looks. So guys, I'm in the shade light medium beige. So this again is a beautiful concealer. It's a little bit thicker, it's creamy, but when you just blend it with a beauty blender or a concealer blending brush, it beautifully blends and it just melts into your skin beautifully and gives a medium coverage. I wouldn't say it's full coverage, it's light to medium coverage, but it's beautiful for every day, and thus it's beginner friendly. And yeah, this doesn't give any flashback as well, so it's a beautiful product. And for loose powder, I'm going to suggest you this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, because it's beautiful. And this also this doesn't make your skin very matte, but still it gives a nice control. It doesn't let the oil peek through. So this is such a nice loose powder. Little goes a long way, and there's a lot of powder in here. It's very budget friendly from Maybelline as well. Highly recommend this. And to contour, guys, I do have this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette. This is in the shade Caramel Toffee. This is such a beautiful product because there are two powders. This powder is the banana shade, which you can use it under your eyes or in the center of the face to just brighten. This brightens your face, your center of the face immediately. So that's that. And this is the contour shade. This is not very warm or neither warm nor cool. It's in between. So beautiful shade for light to medium skin tone. I absolutely love this and highly recommend. And this is a nice budget friendly product as well. So that's that. And for blush, I have this Wet n Wild, what's that called? This is a blush in the shade Mellowine, guys. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Blush Highlighter Mellowine. This is in the shade Mellowine. This is just $3.99, but beautiful product. It's a matte formula, but they do have a little bit of sheen, but the color is such a gorgeous shade, you guys. So this is how it looks. This is a nice peachy, earthy tone peach, which absolutely looks stunning. So let me give a quick swatch. So it just beautiful. It's just beautiful. So this is how the blush looks. Such a gorgeous shade, right? So and you know, and it's blendable. It blends like butter, and yeah, it's very beginners friendly because you don't have to, you know. This is buildable, guys. It's pigmented but not very pigmented, so even when you just put it, just take a lot of products in one go also, you're not going to look like a clown, because you know you can blend it beautifully into your skin. And next product is highlighter, guys. For highlighter I have the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. So this again is a cult favorite product, very affordable, drugstore favorite, everybody's favorite. So this is how it looks. It's got a nice champagne color to it. Beautiful product. I absolutely love it. This just gives a nice wet look. They don't have, there's no you know, glitter chunk particles in here. It's beautifully on your skin. It's not going to emphasize the texture. So let me give you a swatch next to the blush. As you can see, this is, I don't know if the camera is picking up, but this is going to be beautiful on light to medium skin tone. So absolutely recommend this product to you guys. And for eyebrows, guys, I recommend two products. I really like the Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil, but I don't find it. Unfortunately, I don't find it anywhere here. So I just have this kaybeauty eyebrow pencil. This is such a gorgeous product. So I think this is in the shade Walnut. So this is exact shade of my eyebrow, guys. So I always match my eyebrow with my hair because that's how it works. So this is not very pigmented. This is not like a wax, not like a powder, but it's just in between. It's beautiful. The formulation is beautiful and it spreads beautifully as well. So highly recommend it. And it's worth for the money, guys. So, but one problem, this doesn't come with this spoolie. That's a big bummer, but I really like the formula. And for Kajal, again I have this K-Beauty product. It's the Spade. They are very reasonably priced. They are very affordable. I think it's 150. I'm not very sure. Or I'll put all the information of the products in the description box below for you guys. Please check it out. So guys, let me give a quick swatch. It's such a nice, dark, intense black shade. So this is just one swipe, guys. Can you see how dark it is? So I have oily eyelids. So once it's set, it's not going to budge. This is going to stay for a really long time, and it's very affordable as well. Highly recommended. And for eyeliner, I have this Faces Magnet Eyes eyeliner. So this is the shade black. I really like it, but the problem with this eyeliner, I really like it, guys. It stays for a really long time, but it gives a little bit. It has a little bit of shine to it. It's not matte. It's not flat matte. It has a little bit of shine to it. So if you don't like you know, a glossy eyeliner, then you won't like it. But I really like it for every day as well. So, and it's beginners friendly as well, because you don't want to invest in eyeliner. You don't want to invest so much in eyeliner. So I highly recommend this product to you guys. And for mascara, none other than the Maybelline Colossal waterproof mascara. I do have it in the waterproof variant. So this is how it looks. Everybody knows that's what I have on my eyes today. This gives a nice volume and length to your lashes, but I always curl my eyelashes. So it gives a nice volume, and it really curls up my lashes, and this gives a nice volume and length as well. So highly recommend it. And for eyeshadow, guys, I was blown away by the performance of this Nykaa. This is Nykaa Eyes On Me 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette. So I've got it in the shade Beachdide Peach. So this is how it looks. So this is such a gorgeous palette, you guys. There are 10 eyeshadow. So there are 10 different shades in here. The colors in here are beautiful. They marry with each other, and they do have nice matte shades. They have beautiful shimmer shades in here. And the matte shades, I should say that they blend beautifully. That it blends like a dream, guys. There is a kickback, there is a lot of kickback in here, but it also blends beautifully. So let me just show it to you. Such a gorgeous shades are here. So let me give a quick swatch of few colors for you. They're highly pigmented and the shimmers are beautiful. So, I'll swatch it for you guys here. You see that? They're damn pigmented and they're blendable, highly blendable. I'm so impressed with these. So guys, the shades are damn gorgeous. The shimmers are beautiful and the matte shades blend beautifully like a butter, and I absolutely love it. And there are 4 more variants in this, 4 more different shades in this as well. So I can't wait to try all of them, and I absolutely highly recommend this if you are a beginner, because there's no fuss when you blend it. It blends beautifully. So this is my absolute favorite and I highly recommend it. And for lip liner is not must, it's optional, but for someone with small lips like mine, to make it fuller, I obviously recommend using a lip liner to outline. So for that, again, I'm going to be suggesting you the K-Beauty lip liner in the shade. I have it in the shade Hypnotic. This is a nice push-up pink shade. Let me give a quick swatch for you guys. So this is how it looks. So this lip liner again is very creamy, but once it's set, it's not going to budge. You have to remove it with the makeup remover. So there are quite a few shades for everyone, for every single Indian tone. Beautiful product. I highly recommend it. And for lipstick, I'm going to suggest you. I'm going to recommend the Wet n Wild catsuit liquid lipstick. I have it in the shade Coral Corruption. But there are beautiful nudes, berry tones, reds and all that. You can choose what you like. So this has such a beautiful liquid lipstick formula, guys. This doesn't dry my lips as such. It sits beautifully. It doesn't accentuate the fine lines that I have on my lips. And it stays on for really long time. And even if I don't wear a lip balm underneath as well, this is not going to dry my lips after some time. Few liquid lipsticks tend to dry my lips after some time, but this doesn't do it. It's beautiful, so highly recommend, because there are a lot of shades as well. So please check it out. And to fix all the makeup, I have this Wet n Wild Photofocus Natural Finish Setting Spray. This again is a bomb product. It's a gorgeous product, but the problem with this, the mist is not fine. So when you put it, it's just on your face. So you have to really work it well with this. But other than that, the formula and the product is beautiful. So I think I've covered everything for you guys and I hope you all like it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to post your valuable comments, because I love reading your comments. And yeah guys, I hopefully catch you all in my next interesting video. Bye.